name is Justin with Texas Magnolia Home, and on my channel we do DIY projects, home decor hauls, and home renovation updates on our own personal fixer-upper here in South Texas. Now in today's video, I'm giving you guys the highest requested thing that you guys have been asking me for in the past month or two, and it is our 2018 Christmas home tour. All right guys, without further ado, let's just jump on into this. Okay guys, let's start off this Christmas home tour video. Now guys, I have 8 Christmas trees and 2 are in our living room, and that's where we're starting off today. So this is a 9-foot tree. Now what I like to do is weave in some ribbon, then dovetail it. I like getting floral picks. There's some mercury glass. There is some whites and golds and everything. It's just such a beautiful tree. Now going off from there, we have this DIY stocking holder that I put together. It's really simple. I'll leave it linked up above, and it's a step-by-step tutorial how you can build this if you don't have a fireplace to hang your stockings. This is a place setting for 7 different stockings with the same type of colors as the tree and everything else in the room. Now going on over here, this is something that we keep up year round, so you don't have to always change out your decor, but what I did is spruce it up a little bit with some Christmas potpourri. It has a lot of farmhouse color tones in it, which matches our home. Now going on from that corner, we'll go over here. Now this is our office, but I'll leave a video linked up above where you can see a before and after tour of our entire house. And over here we have this letterpress tray, which is another piece that stays up year round. And what I did is add this garland piece on here and then put in the flowers, the picks, the ribbon, and just gave it that farmhouse look. Now going on around here, I put on garland on either side of this doorway, and it was a very cheap, inexpensive garland that I picked up from Walmart, added in the lights, and then I found all these different picks to kind of give it that frosted, flocked, farmhouse looking garland. Now guys, you need to let me know in the comment section down below. This is a tree that I've shared a little bit with you guys, and it is my ribbon tree. Now this ribbon tree has 5 different layers of mixtures of different ribbon. I think there's like 12 different kinds of ribbon on here. But if you want a tutorial like this in 2019, leave me a comment down below and I'll definitely do a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create this in your own home. Now over here, this is a sign that I picked up last year from Kirkland's. I think they still have it, but it's really pretty. But yeah, let's go into the kitchen and dining room next. Alright guys, come into our kitchen and dining room area. Now this used to be 3 separate rooms. It was a dining room, butler's pantry, and a 10x10 kitchen at the end. So what we did is opened everything up, and so as you guys come into this room, the first thing that you'll see is this beautiful centerpiece. Now this centerpiece was y'all's favorite thing last year, my Christmas home tour, and all it was a $5 estate sale find. Then what I did is added these Hobby Lobby ornaments to dress up the reindeer, put in a candle, and then these are just some picks that I had picked up. Now coming on over here, this is an area that pretty much stays like this year round, but what I wanted to do is add in these cute little trees that I got from Michael's that have the pine cones that kind of go with the garland and everything else in this room. Okay, on this side of the kitchen, we have 2 trees. Now in this kitchen, we have 3 Christmas trees in total, and they all have the same Winter Wonderland look. There's lots of whites and wood tones and burlap and a little bit touch of color. Now going on from there, we have these pillows that I picked up last year from Hobby Lobby. They had them again this year. And then above that on the shiplap wall is our TV. Now if you guys don't have a fireplace in any of your rooms, this is just on Netflix and you can just stream for like an hour, a fire burning. It definitely gives a warmer tone in the room. Now behind me, this is the 6-foot flock tree from Hobby Lobby, and to give it a little bit more height, I put a box underneath it. Then at the base are these Decor stove boxes. You got a set of 2 for $60. And then these are just some coffee bean sack that I use to fill in the area. Now coming on over to this side of the kitchen, this is our normal centerpiece that we have on our table, but I put it here when I added that one in. Then over here is our Ray Dunn bowls. Now these are always here. This is another way that you can add Christmas to the decor you already have. So what I did is I went to Michael's, got some different various Christmas Christmas greenery picks, put them in here, and then added these pine cones and potpourri at the top just to give it a little bit more texture. Now these guys came from Hobby Lobby. They're really cute, and they have them there again this year. Then this is our last Christmas tree we have in the room. Same color scheme, same concept. I just think it looks really cute, especially with the touches of grays and whites and chippiness. It definitely gives you that winter wonderland look. Alright, come on into our master bedroom. Now, we've never actually had Christmas trees in our bedroom before, so I wanted to do something fun. So coming on in here, I picked up all these ornaments and these pieces from the Holiday Glitz collection. So I picked up this wreath, and I'll show you guys in a decor haul. I'll leave that video linked up above if you want to find out where all these pieces were from and how much they cost. But I got this wreath from At Home. It's in the collection, these little figurines. And I just wanted to create a fireplace looking area. Now the shelf is always here. And then I have two more of those pencil trees from Hobby Lobby. And these shutters behind it are always there. I did another DIY. And so when this isn't here, something else is on there. And then there's just lots of golds and crystals and like the copper tones, which still gives kind of a masculine look in this room. And on the bottom, I just wrapped the bases with burlap and then set it onto some faux fur, and then that's a vintage sleigh. Now coming on around from there, we have this little wreath and candle. Now the wreath is a part of the collection as well. And then as you guys can see over here, we have some pillows to kind of dress up the bed in that same color scheme. But guys, you have to see our master bathroom and the Christmas tree that we put in there. Okay guys, come on into our master bathroom. Now this is going to have the 8th tree, and it is really pretty at night to see. When you have all the lights on, it's kind of just white and it kind of blends in, but at nighttime it has a really beautiful feel. So we have all these ornaments. Now the majority of these I got from Hobby Lobby on this, I believe it's a 6 foot or 6.5 foot tree, and there's just variations of frosted white, crystals, snowflakes. Then I have another one of those bases from Decor Stills that is a planter box, but I wanted to use it as a tree box. Then I added the snowflake on. I got the snowflake from Michael's last year. Now coming over here, I wanted to do a little bit in here, so I got this little tree, and I got it from Michael's, and then these two little snowflake tins. I think I got those from Walmart. It just adds a little bit more here. And then coming on over to the toilet section, this is a sign that I made. Now this is a chalk couture sign, and I'm not a designer with chalk couture. I don't have as much time as I used to, but I'll leave a friend of mine's chalk couture shop down below if you want to be able to make this. They're super easy, super quick to make. They're reusable. And then I added a little bit of iridescent glitter on top of it. Alright, now coming into the last bedroom that I decorated is our guest bedroom. Now in our guest bedroom, it's just very farmhouse chic, very simple, nothing too much. So I wanted the decorations to be very matching of that effect. So we got this garland from Hobby Lobby. I added it across the top of this iron bed, and then a little bit at the base. Now from there, I have this reindeer that I got last year from Hobby Lobby. A few little pigs just to dress up the end table. Then coming around over here, I have a faux fireplace that we put in, and then so on that, I have these birchwood candle holders. I still have to pick up the candles to put on there, but it's going to be something of the color of the paint in here. And then I got the sign from At Home, and then wrapping it around is that same garland on the bed, but I just added some pigs to it just to give this side, this part, a little bit more of an elegant look. Alright guys, that is about it for our 2018 Christmas home tour video. As you can see, we added in a lot more decor into our home this year, so let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite pieces were, what your favorite rooms were, what you enjoyed the most about this Christmas home tour video. Like normal guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, bye guys!